Today I am at the Purva Oakshire, where I have a couple of inventory, and all are like from the starting from 1500 square feet to the 2400 square feet and above. So the prices are very decent. I have a lot of unit which is east facing, west facing, north facing. I have many units which is in the different dimensions. I have a unit which is corners. I have a units which is will give you the premium look. And this is the property which is a very well-known developer. It's from Purvankara company, and we have a couple of investors unit available over here. If you guys are really interested to buy a property which should be very close to the city and within the city, it's approved by BDA, it's approved by RERA, it has all the amenities, it has a huge clubhouse with all the infrastructure development, and it is ready for registration now. You guys can avail these inventories who has not purchased the property, who has waited for longer to buy a property which is closer to the position and ready for registration. This is the right time to buy this property. In the market, price is already high. It's more than 11,000 what resellers are quoting for this property, but I'm here to give you closer to price what we are. It is slightly negotiable. You guys can reach out to me. I'll give my number in the description. If you guys are really interested, please come to visit this property. I'll give you the unit according to your requirement. We have a couple of inventories over here, and I would say in the last, if you are really interested to buy, please call to our number we have given in the description. Thank you so much.